Hi there. In our previous video, we have seen how to approach a system design problem. In this video, we'll see on the functional requirements aspects of the system design problem. So when we are talking about the functional requirements, we need to define the functional requirements in terms of the use cases. So we will define in terms of the use cases, okay? So the functional requirement should be defined in terms of the use cases to capture the system's behavior. What do I mean by this is it defines when a user is performing some X or Y action, then the system should behave in a specific way. That is what I mean by capturing the system's behavior. Now we need to take a backwards approach when we are dealing with the functional requirements. That is, we need to start from the end user and we need to identify who is going to use our system, and then also we need to identify how the system is going to get accessed. So the who part is the end user, or it could be an external system, and then we need to identify how the system is being accessed, and then we need to also identify what is the desired outcome or goal of the end user, like what is that the user wants to achieve using our system. And when we define use cases, these are easily captured in terms of the use case components. Like for example, the end user would be the actor for that particular use case, and we obviously have our system in between the end user and our outcome, and we have the goal or outcome of that particular use case, and there is a success scenario in which would define what is the desired outcome out of the system by the end user. And there can be some alternative extensions or flows which would identify the failure scenarios. But overall, if we define our requirements in terms of use cases, this is how it's going to ease our job of capturing the functional requirements. Now, so just to reiterate and summarize, so functional requirements, we need to take a backwards approach, and we need to identify who is the person, or who is the end user or the external system who is going to access our system, and how he is going to access our system. And we need to define the use cases to capture the system's behavior, so that when an end user performs some action, how the system is going to behave. That is what we would be capturing as part of the use case. And use case is nothing but a scenario which describes the system's behavior and how the user is going to interact with the system to accomplish a particular goal. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.